Exploring SecurTrac, Notes.ini Monitor Overview. In the Notes.ini File Monitor view of the SecurTrac configuration database, at a glance, quickly understand which Notes.ini File Monitor documents have been created and identify which ones are active. On the Basics tab, Step 1. Specify whether or not this particular Notes.ini File Monitor document applies to all servers in the domain, or specify the servers where the monitor should be enabled. Important note: SecurTrac must be installed and running on all specified servers. SecurTrac cannot monitor activity on a server where SecurTrac is not running. In Step 2, it is recommended that a description for the monitor be specified. Specifying a description will make identifying a monitor document at a view level easier, and when viewing SecurTrac logs, it will be easy to determine which monitor triggered the logged event. In Step 3a, by default, SecurTrac will log all events regardless of monitor type into a centralized log database, sctlog.nsf. If for a particular monitor, logged events should be isolated into a separate log database, SecurTrac can accommodate that requirement. Now in Step 3b, by default and regardless of monitor type, SecurTrac will log all events into a log database on the same server where the event occurred. If there's a preference to store all logged events onto a centralized specified server, SecurTrac can also accommodate that requirement. In Step 4, if multiple monitors exist that ultimately in the end will detect the same event, SecurTrac will by default log a single entry into sctlog.nsf database. This is the recommended setting. There are, however, some industries that require multiple log entries when more than one monitor detects the same event. In those cases, the multiple log entries option would be selected. If a monitor has been active and it's later decided that the monitor has to be temporarily disabled without affecting other active monitors, select Disable this Notes.ini monitor. Whether a Domino server Notes.ini is modified via the server console in a server configuration document or through an operating system text editor, SecurTrac can detect changes. Even if the Notes.ini was modified when the Domino server was shut down, SecurTrac will detect the changes when the server starts up. Step 1 on the Monitor tab. SecurTrac includes the ability to configure some exceptions as it relates to logging by the Notes.ini file monitor. The entry highlighted is a recommended selection. Also consider using the option Ignore changes to the following parameters to ignore parameter changes initiated by the Domino server. A predefined list of parameters is available for selection, or add parameters that are not in the list. In Step 2, though optional, it's recommended that you use SecurTrac's real-time notification feature, which can be customized and previewed. It will alert someone immediately when a change to the Domino server Notes.ini has been detected. Each Notes.ini file monitor includes the ability to schedule activity summary reports. Simply select the Report tab. Step 1 on the Reports tab. Reports can be scheduled to run on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Configure the schedule to best suit your reporting requirements. In Step 2, once a report has been run, use SecurTrac's real-time notification feature, which can be customized and previewed, to alert someone immediately when the summary report is available. To prevent scheduled reports from running, select Disable Sending Report. Reports can be run manually as well by clicking on the Run Report Now action button. Now let's take a look at a sample Notes.ini monitor log. In the sample Notes.ini file monitor log, the date and time that the Notes.ini was modified is easily noted, along with the name of the link to the SecurTrac monitor that detected the event. In the Notes.ini log details section, the Notes.ini parameter that was modified is listed, along with the parameter's original value and its new value. In this example, the parameter server task set 2 was modified, where the original value was updal, and the new value is updal-r. A complete copy of the Notes.ini is also captured after the changes were made and is stored in the SecurTrac log. In the future, if there's a need to revert back to that Notes.ini, simply save it locally and then manually restore it to the server. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. To learn more about our products, please visit our website for more product information and additional tutorials. Visit us at www.extracomm.com.